So where is this LSAL?
Okay, this is on the
First separator.
low level of the separator. What is the tag?
More level, maybe more flow.
No, LSAL, right?
Yes.
That is no level.
LSAL 309202.
30902. 902 is on
This one,
the
you see here LCB 30901 malfunction full open.
it's the same thing.
Right?
It's a hips. It's hips.
Yeah. So
It's the
this is
hips.
the, yeah, correct. That is the likelihood of the fellow.
Yeah.
And
2, 6, and 7.
Yeah, loss of production only because it is a trip now. Loss of production. Operator has to investigate for low level to investigate low level in what? In first separator, right?
Yeah.
Manual.
That's
And
the
takes
separator,
over.
yes.
And what is the response time?
No, this is already trip, right? So to investigate, you have
30 minutes.
Yeah, you have more than 30 minutes.
This is the emergency function, ESD.
ESD, right?
And this is again A. Why I'm saying A? Guys, I'm not forcing it. I'm saying notable. It is not less than more than a million over this thing. So I would simply go for financial cost, this one, and A. I think we can go for B here.
B, I think we considered B on the
Yeah.
first separator. It's like catcher. Yeah.
What is the severity here? Severity is notable, is low. And immediate action?
It's not urgent, yeah.
B with low.
This is already trip, right? So
Yeah.
you have 0 to, I mean, you have more than 30 minutes.
Yeah.
To act
So
on.
it is, yeah. It is immediate with low, right? Immediate with low is what?
No, it's not immediate. It's not immediate actually, Chairman. It is not urgent. So it will be P3.
No, it's P3. It's a P3.
It will be P3.
Yeah.
I think we have already
qualified, yeah.
Concluded on this one that for already the trip function, it will be P3.
P3, yeah. So Gurumurthy and Gurpreet, you are there, right?
Yeah. Safety.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So now we are going for this LSAL 30903.
Is it the same 2, 3, and 6?